Hey everyone, Carolyn Rivera here, and today I am talking with Jack. So let's just get into it. Number one, can you tell us a little bit about your background and your connection to accounting?
Sure. I have a BBA, a Master of Science in Accounting. I worked for PricewaterhouseCoopers for 2 years as an assurance associate, and then I went back and got my PhD in accounting, and I'm currently an active licensed CPA in the Commonwealth of Virginia. So that kind of got me into now my accounting role as a professor at Hofstra.
There we go. Number two, can a non-accounting student become a certified public accountant?
This is a very timely question. We just got a study from the AICPA this month, August 2019, that 31% of new graduate hires in public accounting were non-accounting majors. So you can certainly be a non-accounting major and both work for a public accounting company and get your CPA licensures, assuming you meet certain requirements.
That's insane. I mean, I would have not expected that number to be so high.
No, about 50% of new hires go into audit that are accounting majors, but that still means, we still have this full 30% out there that some are going into audit and tax, which are traditional just accounting major fields.
Huh. Anyone can do it.
Anyone
So,
can do it.
Number three, what are some classes that these non-accounting majors can take to fulfill these extra credit hours that are necessary?
Sure. All 50 states require 150 hours. But the additional hours that's embedded in the 150 varies by state. Typically, the general rule is most states require about 30 accounting credits at 150, and somewhere between 12 to 24 business credits in there as well. So if you have a background in English, you may have taken a general business class that counts towards your general business courses. If you're a finance major, that counts towards your business side. So you really only need those 24 to 30, I think New York's 33, but 24 to 33 accounting credits for each state. So they can do that through either a double major, a master's, or some combination of the two.
That's awesome. So pretty much check in with what your state requires and maybe you can become a CPA. Thanks.
Certainly check into what your state requires. Yes.
Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks, Carolyn.